If you are looking for a healthy swallow on the planet, oatmeal swallow or fufu is one of them. Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. Let's dive right into the video so I can show you how I came up with this smooth and fluffy oatmeal swallow you are seeing right here. This is the oat I am using for the oatmeal swallow or fufu. You can use any oats of your choice. Oats are among the healthiest grains on earth. They are gluten-free whole grain and a great source of important vitamins, minerals, fibers and antioxidants. Oh yes, next is to blend the oats, and I will carefully transfer the oats to my blender and blend until very smooth and powdered, and I will repeat the process until I get the quantity of oats powder or flour I am looking for. To my OGs, please help me to like the video, and to my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. My name is Nancy. Join the family to like the video as well as you keep watching.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
Yes, after blending the oats, this is the oats powder. Can you see how smooth it is? On this stage, it is very important to spray out the oat powder to cool down completely before storage, okay, to last longer. But while you are using all the oat powder at once like me, then go ahead and pour some clean water in a clean bowl, cover and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, I will carefully transfer the oat powder to the boiling water. But before I start doing that, I will reduce my heat from high to low medium, okay, to avoid a lumpy swallow or fufu. I will be stirring it, and I will keep doing that until everything turns to swallow or fufu. Oatmeal is one healthy meal that is super easy to make. Whether you make it as a swallow or you make it as a normal oatmeal, it is very healthy. If you are going for a weight loss journey, please try this meal. In whichever way you make it, it is very healthy. I love this oatmeal swallow so much because of its fiber content.
The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed.
Yeah, once everything is solidified just like so, remove the spatula, add some water to it depending on how strong or soft you want your swallow, and cover to cook well for about 7 minutes. It's been 7 minutes. Start to combine again neatly until everything is smooth and fluffy. And here the oatmeal swallow or fufu is ready. Remove from the heat and allow it to cool down slightly. And once the oatmeal is slightly cool, I will then go ahead and wrap with a ceiling film. Can you see how lovely that looks? I will as well repeat the process for you to catch it all, and we are totally done. Oh yes, you can enjoy this healthy oatmeal swallow or fufu with any soup of your choice, but for us here today, we are enjoying ours with a delicious vegetable soup, and I'm sure you will like to give this recipe a try. Yeah, if you try making this oatmeal swallow or fufu, tag me on all social media handles like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and even on YouTube here. Hope you enjoy making this video with me just as I do. Please, if you do, like the video, share the video, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.
Just as surprised.